I don't know some of these actually. I'm looking at this and I'm like, I don't remember linear functions.
Ooh.
Ugh.
Do fifth graders get calculators? Do they use calculators in the fifth grade?
Well, I mean, like, probably, but like on a
Are
test.
generally not allowed.
Okay, so no calculators either. Also,
Unless
welcome
a
to the
student has a...
podcast. My name is Angst. That is Smug. Today we're going to be taking a 5th grade math test.
This is looking rough.
So no
I
calculator.
think no calculator apparently.
We'll
if
see.
it gets really
if
bad,
it gets bad.
yeah.
But
If we start to
only
shame our
the
families.
basic calculator.
Yeah. No like photo math, no graphing calculator.
Yeah. I'll just have that up just in case. So start. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay.
Ryan not the letters.
Brownies.
Okay, this can't be that hard.
Write an
Okay,
expression
has
that
B
shows
brownies.
it would. Okay. I
What?
could be wrong. It could be.
Oh, is it like B minus
31
31?
equal.
That's what I'm thinking.
Do we have to do equals?
No.
Just B minus
just
31.
hit submit.
Oh, it's not going to tell
Please.
us. Oh, it's not going to tell us.
Oh,
Write
no.
an expression for 68 decreased by I. It'd be 68 minus I.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. This isn't so bad.
Mm-hmm. Okay, start up.
If S equals 4 and T equals 8, solve the equation
Oh,
5S plus 5T.
Okay, I can do this.
Do you need help?
No, I got this.
Okay. No calculator.
20.
No calculator.
I know. It would be... It's A, right? It's 60?
It is A, yes. Why'd that take you so long?
I have to figure it out, bro. I had a long day.
Okay. 10 times 10 divided by 5 plus 19.
Wait, is that a division? I can't see it well enough.
That is a division. Yeah, here, I can make this bigger.
Okay, that's better.
Okay. All right. Here we go. 10 times 10 divided by 5 plus 19.
Or can you count to 19?
Yes, I can count to 19.
That's what you would say. 39, right?
Yes. I'm starting to realize like this is such basic math that like
yeah,
we might have been a little bit more concerned than we should have been. Ooh, okay. All right.
Okay, you have to do the last bit first. I remember that.
Let's see.
120. Quite frankly, the hardest part is just keeping track of all the numbers in my head. I don't have like paper. 179 minus 120. 59?
That's what I got.
I need scratch paper.
I know. What is the order of rotational symmetry of the given figure? What?
Okay, I unironically don't know this one. I have no idea what I'm looking at.
The order of rotational symmetry of the given figure.
Okay, how many times is it symmetrical?
What does it mean by the order? I don't know what that means.
I don't know what I'm looking at.
I'm struggling to understand.
6. A.
You're thinking
I don't
6?
I don't have any proof. I have no reason. I have no answer. This is purely a guess. I have a 25% chance.
You do have a 20. I think this could be a learning opportunity.
Do you know what you're looking at? Because I don't know what I'm looking at.
Well, I know what rotational symmetry is, and that's like if you rotate it, it is symmetrical, but I don't understand the... Okay, hang on.
Is it 7 then?
I looked it up. I had to.
That's
so
what?
I had to look it up.
We're on like the 5th question.
I wanted to learn what order of rotational symmetry is. Okay, all right. Do you want?
Teachers don't help you in the math test.
No, they don't. But they also would have taught me what a rotational symmetry is. Would you like to know what rotational symmetry is?
Hell no.
Okay.
I think it's 7.
Yeah. You said 6 at first.
Yeah, but now I'm just going off how many sides it has.
I mean, it's an interesting idea. Which transformation is shown in the given image?
It's
That's reflection, isn't it? No, that's rotation.
No.
That's rotation.
Yeah.
I,
To be fair, I also thought wrote reflection for
yeah,
a
I
second.
was like, it's just showing itself, and there would be no way to see reflection. Which of the following figures have 4 lines of symmetry?
Bro, I hated math class. I did not pay attention. I was busy playing on my Chromebook. It's not my fault.
I'm pretty sure it's A. Because like this is like a 1, 2, and that's like it.
Bet, say less. Go with it.
Because like that's not symmetrical.
Run
That's
it.
not symmetrical. We'll say A. Oh, I hate these. I hate these. Oh, fuck, I hate these. Okay.
I remember these. I don't think I ever got one of these right. I think I literally guessed every time.
I did get these right. Find the missing number in the given table by identifying the rule. So 5 in, you get 10 out. 9 in, you get 14 out. 6 in, you get 11 out? Oh, Jesus Christ.
But
okay, hang on.
It's just plus 5, right?
No, it is not. Oh.
Are you sure?
I'm no longer sure.
Are you certain about that?
No. 5 plus 5 is 10, 5 plus 9 is 14, 5 plus 6 is 11. So it's 8 and 7. If it's not, we did get it right technically.
We're not wrong.
What kind of triangle is this?
It has to be equilateral, right?
Yeah.
It's all equal.
It is all equal. Why are you getting stressed?
Bro, I did not do well in math. I think I perpetually coasted on like a 70.
I didn't realize this would like bring you back to being stressed.
No, I would just guess. The second I realized I didn't know what I was looking at, I would just make shit up.
Oh, I did my best to figure it out. Given below are the starting numbers and the rule of the rules for 2 sequences of numbers. Sequence X, start at 20, subtract 2. I would assume it's just subtract 2 each time.
What the fuck?
Start at 10.
The terms in the sequence Y are blank times the score. Wait. This feels too easy.
The terms in the sequence Y are blank times the corresponding terms in the sequence X. Huh?
The terms in sequence Y are times the
They're not.
2.
No, but they're not.
2 times.
No, but they're not. Sequence Y is right here. Half times?
Times. Yes.
I guess.
0.5. There's got to be like a term that we just don't know.
I mean, it is 0.5, but that seems weird.
I feel like I don't think we're getting this one right.
I think we're going to get it wrong, but we're going to get it wrong by like not putting half.
Yeah.
Okay. Complete the following table for the function y equals x plus 23. Oh God.
What? Wait. Okay, never mind. I've deciphered how this works.
Okay, go on. Walk me through it.
You gotta give me I just said I figured it out. I don't say I know the answer yet.
Let me know. Oh, wait.
I just know what I have to do.
You know what I just realized?
What would that be?
My little goblin is covering up the answers.
Ooh. Whoopsies.
It's fine. I can just...
You can figure that out.
Just move this.
It's just 15 plus 23. What?
I'll just move us both.
Yeah, you just... Wait, no, there's 2. That could be... what's the change? Okay, changes at C. Okay, so 23
sure.
plus 23 would be... Okay, yeah, it's just A.
Okay. Are you sure?
No.
Okay.
Oh,
God.
This is big number.
I hate this.
Okay, hold up.
No fucking paper.
Give me like 10 minutes and I can do this in my head. I'm not going to be able to do this in my head. Why can't there be multiple choice? I'm not going to be able to do this without a calculator. So unless you think you can pull it off.
I grabbed a scratch piece of paper.
Okay, you know what? Let me find some scratch paper.
Because that's not cheating.
Yeah, that's how you're supposed to do it. Hold up.
Yeah, okay. I had to like double check my math. I was a little concerned. You know, I did think this was gonna be harder. I don't know what the fuck order of symmetry is though. That's really dumb.
Okay, I found an old binder. This.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I bought this binder, I used 2 pages.
Oh my god. Actually, you know what? I have a couple of notebooks that I bought and then just haven't used.
Okay, you already figured it out.
Yeah.
But I'm ready for the next one. That's
Yeah.
the next one
Yeah.
I got.
Okay. All right. That's all
Please
you.
God. Fuck. Okay, hold on, give me a minute. Hold on, give me a minute. Fuck, it's been so long since I've done it on paper.
Has it?
Yeah, it has been, yeah. I mean, we started using calculators in, like, freshman year of high school.
I guess, yeah, to be
And
fair.
so I haven't had to do any math on paper in, like, I don't want to think about that number. It's like 7 years, something like that.
Bro, we were not allowed calculators most of the time for our math tests.
Boomer. I'm so doing this wrong. I know I'm doing it wrong, but I don't remember the method. Wait, no, I think carrying overs for addition. Fuck, I'm doing all this wrong. I want to cheat. I want to cheat so bad.
What? Walk me through your process. I kind of wish you had like fucking notepad up.
All I have right now is I've written out the equation. And I'm just staring at it. I'm just looking at it. I'm like trying to see if I can remember how you're supposed to do long multiplication on like paper.
Well, I mean, all I do is I multiply each number and then add all that together.
That is so not how they told us to do it.
So like I do.
But we had some weird bullshit.
It's like I do 8 times 9, which is 72. And then I do 2 zeros behind it because it's in the 100th spot. Then I do 8 times 5, which is 40. Then I do a 0 because it's in the 10th spot. And then I do 8 times 1, which is 8. And then I add all that together.
This is so not how they told. Is this how they told you to do it, or is this your method?
This might have been just. This is how right now I'm realizing I just prefer to do it because it makes sense.
Yeah, because I've never heard of this ever.
Well, what method would they have taught you? Like, this is the only method I can think of.
I don't fucking remember, dog. I just know that it wasn't this.
You know what's gonna really suck?
I don't want to think about it.
You know, long division's gonna be on here.
I'm tapping out at that point. I'm retiring.
You can't retire. This is just 800, right?
Yeah.
Did you need the paper for that one?
I didn't even do anything. I just said yes.
Oh no.
Oh, okay.
197. How did you get in? How did you two get in? My cat's broke in.
You didn't shut that door as well as you thought.
Well, it's a new door. I'm used to just closing it, but I have to actually like lock it or else it can just be pushed open.
Oh.
All right, you figure this out. I'm going to go deal with them for like 2 seconds. Evie.
I have to figure it out. Oh, we're so cooked. Hold up, guys. I got this. I can figure this out. Believe in me. Okay. If I... Man, I really should be doing this somewhere. This could be witnessed. This is terrible. Guys, I promise I was good at multiplication at one point.
Just doesn't work. How far did you get?
I'm nowhere. I'm like,
what?
I'm the turtle in this race.
You're nowhere.
I'm nowhere, dog. I'm slowly getting through it. I don't think I'm doing the method I was shown, but I'm figuring something out. I'm making my own method live.
Your own method live.
I am reinventing mathematics as we speak.
Oh, why can't I remember about
the average person can solve a math equation. It takes a real genius to reinvent the equation. What if I just make it addition?
Why would you just make it addition?
It'd be funny. Okay, wait, I've got it. I think I've got it.
Okay, what do you have?
8274.
82?
74. 8,274.
Did I fuck up? I got 8174.
Show your work. That's all I've got.
4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 9 is...
Bro, it's so funny. I'm opening to the back of this book where I have a much longer, harder equation that I figured out at some point. And I'm just like, look how I've fallen. The back of the book is an entire full page of some equation I had to do. It's the only other thing in here.
Oh, and no. You're right. It is 82. I used the wrong number. 82. Yeah. 8274. I used the wrong number. That's my bad.
You used the wrong number.
Yeah.
You know what? I fucked up enough. I'm not going to call you out on it. We can just move on.
Hang on. Because 4 times 9 is 36. Plus 2 is 8. 38. 3, 7.
So who's worse, the guy who took forever to figure it out, or the guy who fucked it up?
I think it's 81. I'm doing my answer. Fuck you.
You're just so definitely incorrect.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, hell no.
179.2.
Okay, no, you're right.
Yeah. I was like, I'm pretty sure I'm right. Oh, what the fuck?
I'm counting.
Which of the following decimal numbers
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it's 10 by 10. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18.
I'm just gonna wait for you.
I'm getting. Damn, give me a minute.
I feel like I've given you enough time to try to figure this out.
Okay. Oh, my answer's not on there. Oh, that's bad.
What's your answer?
I got 0.34.
No, yeah, you're right. That's not what we're figuring out. We're trying to figure out which is less. My answer's
I got scared.
I'm like, yeah, no, you're good. Written as a mixed number.
Mixed.
Do you remember mixed numbers, Smug?
Hey, what's your answer?
It's B.
What's your B? Okay.
B's my answer. It's gonna suck when we fail this. I feel so confident, and I'm gonna look back and be like,
If we turn out to get like a 10 on this, despite also being wrong the entire time, will be pointing and laughing at you a lot. I don't like what I'm looking at. Angst, I don't like what I'm looking at. I really don't like what I'm looking at. 1/3 divided by 6. I miss photo math. Photo math really helped me.
1/3 divided by 6.
All I'm saying is I learned all of this. It still hasn't come up yet. I had to learn a whole lot of shit that hasn't come up.
You know, I'm gonna be honest. I don't think this has ever come up in my life.
It has. I haven't had to do any of this shit ever. I want to say it's D, but I know it's not D because that's the answer I'm thinking it is.
No, I'm pretty sure it's D. I'm fairly certain.
But I don't. I found out that whatever I thought it was never that answer. I would figure something out, be like, okay, I found this, so it can't be this. Let's go for a different one.
Identify the correct improper fraction for the given mixed number.
I remember hating doing this. I remember seeing this and hating it greatly.
What? This one's it's just so easy, though.
Bro, what part of I didn't like math or pay attention in math are you not picking up?
It's okay. If we ever had to go redo an English assignment, it's fucked.
I could absolutely dunk a history test or an English test right now.
History, I think we both enjoyed. I still probably would fail it.
It would depend on the topic, I guess. I have no fucking idea. I don't even know how to solve this.
You multiply this by that and add it to that.
You've lost me.
So you multiply the 2?
Nope.
The 2 here?
No, too far. No.
You multiply the 2 by the 10.
I didn't get that far.
And then you add it to the 1.
I didn't get that far either.
Okay.
You know, I was eligible to skip a grade.
Honestly, I was able to skip, or I was able to finish my senior year of high school. I would have had 4 classes each semester.
You want to know the saddest part? I was in 2nd grade doing 5th grade math.
Oh God.
I've completely punted all of that, I guess. But if I was in the 2nd grade, I'd be doing better than I am now. Okay, you just said how to do this, and I wasn't paying attention.
Well,
so...
I have horrid news. My answer's not on there.
I don't like that it just has one word either. Divide.
I think it's 12.
Run it. Fuck it.
It's the only one that makes sense. Oh no. Oh no.
Okay, so I know. How many milliliters are in a liter?
1 million.
This is when I really stopped paying attention.
1 million, right? It's 1 million.
Don't ask me. Wait, yeah, it has to be milli. Yeah. Run it.
That.
It's yes. Bro, we're so failing this. I don't think we're passing.
You don't think we're passing? What is the reasonable temperature in the given situation?
Oh, it's Celsius. Fuck. Do you remember how Celsius works?
0 degrees Celsius is freezing.
Okay. I couldn't remember if 0 was like freezing or if it was like an impossible number.
That's Kelvin.
Okay.
0 degrees Kelvin is absolute 0.
That's what I was thinking. I'm like, I can't remember.
Bro, if they're testing 5th graders on Kelvin?
Bro, maybe it's an advanced class. Who knows?
Maybe. Convert metric units of weight. Fuck, kilo. Kilo's 100.
I want to say, in that case, it should be 70.
70?
I'm making that up.
Wait, is kilo 10? Kilo is 10. No, you're right in 70.
Hell yeah.
70,000 kilograms is 7,000 grams. I could ask Kayleen as she is in science, but no.
That would be cheating.
That would be cheating.
If we're not allowing a calculator, we're not allowing a science major. Oh my god, we did it. And by we, I mean you.
We missed 6.
View report. That does not surprise me.
What 6 did we miss?
Did you hit the button? I'm just staring at the smiley face.
It's still loading.
Okay. What's another miserable subject we could do? I don't think science I would do any better.
Science I could do slightly better. Social studies I could not do.
I think 5th grade social studies would be poo-poo easy. It'd be like, who was the first president? That's a tough one.
I don't know.
Okay, I found science.
I don't think this report's popping up.
If you think my math was bad, wait till you see my science.
Wait, what kind of science is this?
I mean, 5th grade is just like general science. It was like a little bit of everything, remember? Well, you may not remember, given the time.
This is not popping up. I just want to see the report. That's it. I just want to see what we got wrong and why.
Just like leave it in a back window and see if it opens.
Okay. So now we're doing science. Is this the same one? Shout out to
It's the same website.
Diary.
I mean, it works. Not sponsored. It's just the first website I found that doesn't make you log in.
A change in velocity is defined as what? This is acceleration.
A change in velocity could go either way.
Like that's the problem.
But motion also sounds wrong. You know, I think what might be funny if you get Kayleen in here just to watch us struggle.
You want me to get her in here just to watch us
I think if we just had a scientist reaction to us trying to figure out 5th grade science, that might be kind of funny.
Yeah, I'll grab her. Hang on, I'll go see if she wants to
participate. You guys got to understand, I'm class of 2021. I had Chromebook. It just wasn't fair. They can't expect me to pay attention ever if I have a Chromebook. But if any of y'all need to figure out how to get like Pokemon on your Chromebook, you let me know. That's where I shined. That was my specialty.
Okay. I've gotten... Jesus.
You got our resident scientist?
I've got the resident scientist. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, you told her no answering, right?
I told her she can answer after we have submitted our answer.
I already know this one, so...
Oh, God.
Okay.
Okay, so let's run her through our thought process.
Hang on, I might sneeze. Okay, what is our thought process?
What's the answer?
Okay.
Well, a change in velocity is defined as blank. Acceleration feels like you're just accelerating.
I would imagine accelerating means go faster.
Yeah, accelerating is just one form of change, where motion could be multiple forms of change.
What expression is she making? Can you get it? Can you get an answer off her expression?
She's completely blank-faced.
Fuck. Damn it. I said run motion. Run motion. It's got to be motion.
You're thinking...
There's no way it's acceleration. Acceleration means go fast.
Yeah, okay, it's motion. All right. Was it acceleration? You can tell us now. It's been submitted.
We'll find out.
No, I won't, because the math one won't even show up.
It's fun.
It was acceleration.
But acceleration is just one.
Well, I'm pretty sure motion has to do with force.
I like that you're arguing with her as if we have any grounds.
But
acceleration over time.
But I asked what
definition of acceleration.
No. Velocity.
Oh fuck.
Right?
Velocity.
Velocity.
The speed of something in a given direction.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Fuck. All right, deceleration.
If you don't get this one, I'll be very upset.
Okay, we're not that bad.
Yeah,
we're not
come
that
on.
bad.
It's increases, obviously.
Duh.
Imagine she corrects us after
Yeah,
that.
she's like, it was. Observing the two figures, how do you know the car is in motion? Cars are always in motion on the road.
It's a 5th grade assessment. What do
you know what? Yeah. I like the idea that if a car touches a road, it cannot stop until it stops contact.
Grade. What do you mean you thought this was going to be hard?
You asked for my...
I wanted you to come watch us be stupid.
Okay, well, what's this one?
She is.
A method for describing matter is by use of the 5 senses.
I feel like that's wrong. I'm thinking false.
Well, it's just a method for describing it. And almost all
I feel like they would be like, oh, it's a way to do it. They're clearly referring to like the method.
No,
and I don't think it's just like...
I don't think there is a singular method to describe matter. I'm pretty sure this is true. I'm like 98% sure that this is true.
All right, hit submit and let's see who's right.
Just blank faced. I don't...
Or was it?
What do you mean you think it was false?
Yes! I'm so goated! Maybe I'm the science major.
Which is the shut the fuck up.
It's an example of matter.
Ice cube, water vapor, ice cube, water.
Yeah, it's all of them. They're all matter.
Yeah, it's always all.
Everything's matter.
Okay, now use the 5 senses to describe why ice, water, and water vapor.
What?
Oh, which of the following is an example of a physical change?
No, continue.
Oh no.
Use the 5 senses to describe water. It's wet.
Okay.
That's pretty controversial, actually.
I guess that's
true. To avoid politics in our podcast.
To be fair, water being wet is controversial. A physical change. Salt dissolving in water. Sand
that might
mixed
be it.
in water.
Definitely not
melting wax.
Maybe. I don't think it's all of the above. Because I don't think it's sand mixed in water. What was the question again?
Which of the following is an example of a physical change?
I'm thinking A. It's definitely not sand mixed with water. I'm like absolutely certain with every fiber of my being.
Yeah, well, because
that's not changing anything. Yeah, you're just putting sand in water because you're a dumbass.
But the problem is like, I guess wax also doesn't actually change.
It's still
just wax.
It's still wax. Yeah, but what the fuck? Is our resident scientist tripping over your many beer bottles? That's what it sounds like.
Resident scientist's cat knocked over my garbage.
I see.
It's gotta be the salt dissolving into water.
I'm thinking A. I'm so confident.
No, that's a chemical change.
What do you mean that's a chemical change?
Because sodium chloride, the ions dissociate.
So what's a physical change?
The physical change was just like it's color change or like solid liquid gas, like a phase change. So
yeah, tell her I'll see her at the debate. I think she's wrong.
I think no, yeah, she's wrong. Which
of
the following substances? Oh my god.
What is? Okay, solute means like it won't mix, right?
Which of the following substances will not?
Or solute means it will mix. So we're looking for something that's not going to mix with water.
Yes, we were looking for something that won't mix. Which is oil.
Oil
does not mix.
Hold on, let me look at the question.
Chocolate syrup.
What do you mean? Yeah, it's oil.
Yeah, you like pour in the oil and then you're like, oh look, it doesn't mix, and like all the kids pop off. They're like, no way, it's so cool.
I don't know who's mixes chocolate syrup with water, but it will.
Almond moms.
It's like chocolate milk, but if you're really poor, I guess.
Oh no. Oh, I'm sorry. Echinoderms is 5th grade science.
Arthropods
like
insects, worms, jellyfish.
You can't also read it.
I have to read it. I have to figure out the question.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
They're invertebrates.
Wait.
Jellyfish are invertebrates.
I have to think about it.
That one I know I got right. Oh my god. I gotta go blow my nose. Hang on.
Hey, how's your day going?
It was pretty good.
That's good.
It's like the first nice day ever.
Yeah.
It's been like freezing and raining for like the past 2 weeks.
Oh,
It was like
61 degrees and sunny here.
it was finally it was like 70 and sunny all day. It was wonderful.
Wow. What'd you have for breakfast?
Breakfast I had a cinnamon roll.
That's crazy. That's like dessert, bro.
Well, I didn't make it, but it was there when I got up, so it's what I ate.
Oh, that's fair. Do you like wake up and have like those big ass like American family breakfasts and then you just take a sip of orange juice and then you leave for your job?
No, unfortunately, I wish I was American Dad. But I normally do a pretty light
Fuck, he's coming back!
What the fuck? What the hell? Invertebrates do not have backbones. Vertebrates do have backbones.
I think she's mistaken me as the guy from American Dad. I don't remember his name.
Stan?
Yeah, I think she thinks I'm Stan from American Dad.
Do you think he's Stan from American Dad?
She's like, you eat like a big American breakfast every morning with like a glass of orange juice.
Big American breakfast?
No, we said we had cinnamon rolls for breakfast, and I was like, who the fuck has time to make cinnamon rolls? If you have time to make cinnamon rolls, then you probably have time to make
I
pancakes,
also said I didn't
sausage,
make
and
it.
orange juice,
You can talk
potato
louder.
I don't know.
and some yogurt.
You can talk
I
louder.
feel like I'm intruding.
No, I invited you on.
Oh,
Yeah.
Answer the fucking question.
That's true. Invertebrates do not have backbones. Vertebrates have backbones.
Yes.
False.
No, it wasn't.
No way. No, she has to be lying. She has to be
She's
lying.
lying. Which of the following
Okay.
is the largest group of arthropods? Arachnids or insects?
I don't. Oh, insects for sure. There's no way it's just arachnids. Arachnids is just like spiders and scorpions.
There's a lot of arachnids, though.
There's no way. There's like a few. There's way more insects.
There are a lot of insects. I think it's gotta be insects.
Like ants alone, I think solo.
Which of the following statement is true? All angiosperms have the same size flowers. Angiosperms can vary from very large to very large.
Very small to very large.
That's why
I've worked at a garden store for 6 years. I've never heard this term used once. I just want to point that out there. I just want to mention.
You don't have people coming up being like
years of experience in the field.
Can I get an angiosperm?
No one's brought up angiosperm. For like the first time ever, someone mentioned cross-pollination the other day, and that took like 6 years. This shit does not come up.
I'm gonna go with they all have the same size.
It's like that can't be it.
That's gotta be it. Is that right?
I don't think so.
What do you mean you don't think so? Do you know what an angiosperm is?
Yes.
It's a flowering plant, and I can't remember.
I just figured like there's no way it's just gonna be all uniform and the exact same.
These look all uniform and the exact same, Smug.
They don't look the exact same. Are you stupid?
Same.
They look similar, but the exact same and similar are two very different things.
Okay, anyway, which of the following must occur first in order for flowering plants to reproduce? Pollination.
But why would fertilization be here if that wasn't the answer? I feel like pollination is too easy.
Because fertilization is part of it. They have to be pollinated and then they become fertile.
One, I don't like how you said that.
You don't like
Two,
how I
I
said
think
fertile?
you're wrong. Yeah, I don't like how you're putting like a spin on it.
Fertile. It's got to be pollination. You work at a plant store.
And that's why why are you not taking my advice then? I work at a plant store and I'm saying it's B.
But how are they supposed to be fertilized before pollen?
They're freaky, I don't know. Gas station fertilization pill. Go with it.
It's got to be pollination. I just spit. It's got to be pollination.
You can hit submit, but if you're wrong again...
I was right. Get fucked.
Fuck.
Which of the following is true of a vascular plant? It has a root, stem, and leaves. It has no roots or true leaves or seeds.
Fuck. I feel like I did know this.
Smug, I need you, man. You work at a plant store.
Hold up. Give me a sec. Give me a second.
I need you.
I'm thinking. Was it vascular, like... what moves the food, I'm pretty sure vascular is like how they photosynthesize and move the energy.
Uh-huh.
But that doesn't answer the question is my problem. The only thing I can think of related to this doesn't help. It has it has no roots or true leaves or seeds. I think an A, because B sounds fucking stupid.
Well, B would be like a cactus, right?
Cacti have roots. I guess it could be like an air plant.
It's got it. I mean, I'm also in that, but I've been wrong before.
During the Earth's cycle, which of the following bodies of water? Wait, which of the following bodies of water is the source of evaporation? Isn't it all of them?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, I was gonna say.
I was like, if it is just one, I might have been lied to when I was growing up.
Yeah, like my entire life.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Don't look at her. Don't look at her. Don't look at her.
She went to go use the restroom real fast.
Perfect. Okay, we need to blow through this one before she sees it. If we get this wrong, she's gonna laugh at us.
Basalt is the igneous rock that forms the majority of the ocean floor. Oh no.
No, basalt's in the nether. It can't be in the ocean. Basalt is a nether.
Yeah, it's in the nether. There's no water in the nether.
They would put basalt in the game and not put it in the water.
It was evaporation.
If it was meant to be in the water, it has to be false.
No, I think this is. Basalt has to be true.
But the nether wouldn't lie to me.
Minecraft wouldn't lie.
Mojang would never do me dirty like this.
So what do you think?
See, the problem is I know basalt is an igneous rock. And the fact that part of it is true makes me think that it might all be true.
So are you thinking true? Because I'm thinking true. That sounds right.
Oh, the nether.
The nether doesn't exist. The nether is not real.
Yeah, but why would they put basalt in the game and not put it in the ocean? That's where it's supposed to be.
No, wait.
Or is it in the ocean?
I think it is.
Oh, fuck.
I'm pretty sure basalt can happen in the overworld.
Okay, then run it true.
Nice!
Yes. Okay.
A country very near the equator will have 12 hours of blank every day. It's got to be rainfall.
Definitely sunlight. Oh.
I'm just kidding.
Okay.
It's definitely sunlight.
Like the equator shouldn't affect the weather.
Some effects of
soil erosion can include a serious loss
of quality topsoil for farming needs, which of the following is an example: higher crop yields or polluted drinking water.
Wait. Well, okay, it has to be B, because it's not going to get you more crops if it's soil erosion. And a drop in quality.
Loss of quality topsoil for farming needs, which of the following?
Because higher crop yield means you are getting more crops. If you are losing soil and somehow getting more crops, you are a wizard.
Yeah, we gotta get that from that guy. We gotta figure that out.
I want the wizard corn.
Which of the following is a definition of asexual reproduction?
It's just the first one.
Is sex?
The second one is just sex.
I've never had it.
Shame.
Two individuals combine their characteristics to produce offspring.
Hey, it's for 5th graders.
If they say like sex or penis or vagina in the classroom, it would like turn into chaos. They can't say any of those words.
Blow up. Which of the following has 2 basic body plans? What?
Okay, hold up. We can reverse engineer this. We know invertebrate are like bug.
They're bug.
Bug and things without bones.
Shrimp. But they
vertebrate
is basic
bone and spine. Well, okay. Let's think.
What does it mean by body plan?
Yeah, that's what's kind of throwing me off here.
Specifically asking about vertebrae, spinal column. So that's all I'm gonna say.
Vertebrae, spinal column? What?
Think about the types of vertebrates that exist.
Oh no, this is like when the teacher realizes that you can't figure it out and they start holding your hand.
Look at how she's sitting right now, or standing.
It actually is, oh my god.
Okay.
What is the difference?
She bend back a bit more.
You are man, and that is
Go
feline.
I am man. You are woman.
I don't think women have different spine.
I think it's vertebrate.
Wait, ask. Does she have a different
spine? Do you
spine?
have a different spine than me? I think so.
Okay.
I
this is just a 50-50. I don't know what I'm looking at, quite frankly.
Body plans,
Here's the thing.
I don't know what a body plan
I don't know what a body plan is either. I feel like invertebrates have like 40 million different ways that they could be. Like you got like jellyfish, you got like bugs,
worm.
So it's
vertebrate is like
because they like
mammal.
Yeah.
And not mammal.
It's just anything with a spine, and if you have a spine, you have a very there's not much your body plan can do.
You've only got so many options with a spine.
Yeah, honestly, we're worse off. We're worse off with spines. We should just get rid of our spines.
Yeah. So where I was going with that, I'm pretty sure they're implying that the two basic body plans for vertebrates are quadrupedal and bipedal.
Well, that's what I was originally thinking.
Okay.
But that doesn't make sense. That's not a body plan.
I had a really scuffed fuck way of thinking that. I had the right idea, but I had a really worse way of saying it to myself.
My whole idea was, well, bugs have lots of shapes.
Well, I was like, I mean, monkeys and gorillas all have like the same vibe as us. They have the same idea.
They copy, honestly.
Dogs and every guy is like crawling around. But then I was like, but then there's fish, and fish have bones.
Fish do have bones. Are fish
and they don't have any limbs.
Are they? Well, yeah, they don't have any limbs, but Smug, their spines are still straight.
I guess so.
I was expecting like a mind-blown moment, but apparently not. Reproduction is the ability of one cell to reproduce itself. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I run it, sure.
Yeah. Reproduction is just the ability of a cell to reproduce itself.
I could see it either way, quite frankly.
My problem is they say this one cell.
Yeah, that's where I'm getting.
Yeah, that's what's
No. Yeah, because like even if it splits up into two, each of those two.
But I'm pretty sure cells
are
do
still
that.
one
I'm
cell.
like
that can
99% sure someone or something at some point has revealed to me the information that cells could just like duplicate.
Yeah, no.
I think that's how we work.
Even if it duplicates, they are still two individual cells that can then duplicate.
Run it.
I'm running it. Computer simulations are unable to help meteorologists forecast the weather.
False.
That's just false.
Wrong. I mean, it's true, but it's false. That shit is always wrong.
Yeah, no, they are always wrong, but your friend is very worried that there might be a tornado in your area. You look outside and see that it's drizzling. You can see nothing but gray in the sky. Should you be concerned about tornadoes today? Yes, because anytime there is rain, a tornado could develop.
Yeah. If it was just yes or no, I feel like it would be way harder.
Yeah.
Giving the definitions really makes it easy.
Oh, we only got 4 wrong.
Huge.
I'm going to click view report and maybe it'll work this time.
I think maybe we're the scientists.
It's still not working.
Shocker.
Oh, no, we know one, which was the wax.
Yeah. Also, it was like a lot of the early ones. We punted a lot of the first few.
I'm gonna,
and then I feel like we kind of clutched.
Refresh this. We'll go through. We'll quickly go through this. This one we got wrong.
Yes, that was one.
Yeah, it was a lot of the early ones. This one was decreases. We got that right. This one was right.
Really easy. Yeah. Thank God it's not randomized. Actually,
honestly, nothing for describing of this one. I don't know.
I think we got this one wrong.
Type it in. I'll type it in. Because I can just control. I can just control C. Yes. It is a common and effective way to describe the properties of matter.
And we said, what did we say?
We said true.
True or false.
Because I was like, yeah, that makes sense. This one. This is all of them.
What's all 3?
This one, it was wax. But we were right on the sand because nothing changes. It's now just wet sand.
Yeah.
It's wet sand.
if you pour water on sand, that makes it wet. So if I pour water on water,
what does that mean?
By that logic,
the water is now wet. Oil.
Oh, it's gotta be chocolate syrup.
Oh, I think it is chocolate syrup. Invertebrates. Yeah, look at that body plan. Invertebrates do not have backbones. Yes. All right, now we're speedrunning this. We're getting this. This one I don't know. What's an angiosperm? What's an angiosperm?
I'm really scared to Google this. Angiosperm. A large and diverse group of plants. Yes! I was right.
So it is just from very small to very large.
I knew it.
Okay, this one.
Pollination.
It is is it pollination?
Yes.
Smug was trying to convince me it was not pollination.
Pollination.
Okay. Get fucked, Smug.
That's not nice.
I'm sorry. It has roots, stem, and leaves. Yeah. This one was all of them. Basalt is the igneous rock that forms the majority of the ocean floor.
True.
But it's in the nether.
But it is in the nether, and there's no ocean in the there's a magma ocean.
Steve wouldn't lie to me.
Sunlight, not rainfall. Steve wouldn't lie. Jack Black wouldn't lie. This one's definitely.
I don't know who Jack Black is, but I know
Why would
Steve,
it get more,
and he wouldn't lie to me.
Why would it get more?
Is she saying it's?
She's saying it
higher
might
crop
be higher
yield?
crop yield.
Fuck off, no. Yeah, and less fertile subsoil.
No, but it's less fertile.
Significantly, the fertile topsoil is carried away by water behind,
right, but
leaving behind the less productive layers. Yeah. So it's definitely polluted water.
Yeah. Which of the following is its example? It would not. Oh! We misread it, Smug. It's asking for an example of soil erosion.
Oh.
I thought it was weird.
God damn it.
Oh my god. I think that's literally all four that we got
you know,
wrong.
someone's gonna tweak. Someone's gonna read that and understand the question while we just sit here and fumble it, and they're gonna lose their mind.
Yeah. Oh, no. She almost panicked because I didn't click the button.
I heard it. The mic picked it all up.
No, I'm pretty sure it's true. Pre-simulations are unable. This one's false. Different, no, because thunderstorms are produced by cumulonimbus.
What?
There's no shot.
That's the same result we got last time too, right?
That is the exact same result we got last time.
That's so funny.
I'm starting to think we won't actually know what we got right. I'm starting to think that this is just a made-up amount.
You think they just tell you a number?
I'm thinking they just tell you, like, you just have a number.
Like, yeah, you probably got this many right. Probably this many wrong.
Well, it would make sense as to why...
There has to be a better fucking website for stuff like this.
There's not. Well, there are, but you have to make an account, and we didn't want to make an account.
Where to find basalt in Minecraft? Primarily found in the nether!
Yeah, primarily, but where else?
It can be created in the overworld when lava flows over soul soil next to blue ice.
Minecraft basalt.
Ooh, see, and it's in the nether.
That's cool looking.
That does go pretty hard.
That's where I'd want to make my base. Okay, bye. Thank you. We started talking about Minecraft and she left.
Doesn't fuck with the craft.
No, she fucks with the craft. She just doesn't fuck with us talking about the craft. Yeah, I think she just doesn't fuck with us.
That's crazy.
What?
Especially for you.
Oh, you're feeding the cats. Okay.
Not fucking with me, I could understand. Not fucking with you.
Yeah, no, she just doesn't fuck with me. It's kind of fucked.
Oh, now you're only saying it's you. Does she fuck with me and not fuck with you?
Yeah, no, she thinks you're cool.
Oh, hell yeah.
Why'd you say it like that?
I don't know. I'm happy she doesn't hate me.
Oh, basalt Minecraft skin. Okay.
We have like a few minutes left. Not enough for a quiz, but I have an idea. I need you to open Google Earth for me real quick.
Okay.
Wait, how do I get to the thing? Where's the Earth? New project?
Yeah, new project.
Okay, hold on.
So we're in Google Earth.
Random button. I don't know where the random button is.
Random button?
There's supposed to be like a random dice. I'm like covering every button. Historical imagery, I don't care. Add place mark. Is it a tool? No. Add? No. View? No. File? No.
Supposed to be a random dice?
This is completely ruining my bit.
I'm confused what you mean by dice.
There used to be a thing where it would just put you in a random place, and the button for it was just like a little dice. It was like their feeling lucky option. I'm pissed.
Oh, it's right here. It's literally right here.
All right, drop us in. No, like hit the little guy in the bottom right.
Whoa.
I
hit the little guy.
Yeah, okay, well, you can't do it there. You have to zoom out a little bit. Yeah, click on blue circle. There we go.
Whoa.
Okay, what are we doing here? What's our game plan? Yeah, how do we attack this exact location?
Attack?
Yeah.
Okay, well, the lake's frozen over. That's a problem. We can't invade by lake.
I mean, we can. It'd just be walking. Or, like, sled.
Well, how are we gonna... Okay, how are we getting here?
Walk?
Bike?
Wait, hold up. Zoom out. What country are we in? You have to hit the little thing in the bottom right again. I think.
This thing?
Actually, no. Top left, back arrow. There we go. Okay, zoom out. What country are we in?
Russia.
Okay, so walking might not be the best way to do it.
Not just Russia, though.
Ooh, okay, hit the little person again, so it stops with the eye cancer. And then hit 2D too. Bottom right. There we go. Okay, so... Oh, it's like Poland. Oh, we can't invade Poland.
Oh, no, it's not
They've already
Poland.
gone through
It's not
enough.
Poland. It's Minsk.
What the fuck is Minsk?
It's Minsk.
Hold up, I have to find Poland on mine. Where the fuck is Poland? Found it. Okay, it's in... I don't want to try and say this.
Belarus.
Okay, never mind. I was guessing wrong. Belarus? I don't know what happened to Belarus or if it's been invaded, so I say we just run it.
Okay, we'll just run it.
We take over Belay Lake.
Let's go over here. Get another vantage point. Okay.
Oh, way better.
Way better.
Okay, now we can invade by lake.
Yeah, now we invade by boat.
How do we... So we get there by land, buy a boat, put a boat in the water.
We get there by boat.
It's landlocked.
It's going to be a boat with drills.
Okay, so we have a land water boat.
We have a water boat
go
with
underground.
drills. Yeah.
So we have invented the first subterranean transportation vehicle that can also work
is
as
a submarine. Yeah.
Oh, it's a submarine
It's
now. Okay, that's not a boat.
It's a full submarine.
Okay, so we have subterranean car / submarine.
Yep.
Well, unfortunately, I think we put all of our budget into building that. I don't think we have any weapons.
I wasn't aware we had a budget.
Well, I mean, the budget's pretty huge, but we have to invent a new vehicle.
Oh, no, I already have one.
Oh, you've already made this? Okay.
Yeah. I was tinkering with some things like the other day, and I kind of just stumbled across how to make it.
Did you build it all from scratch, or did you already have the submarine? Or did you already have the subterranean vehicle that you then converted?
I have a lot of scrap metal.
And
so you
did it all from scratch.
I know a guy.
Wait, but you said you did it.
Well, yeah, but he gave me some help with like planning and like how to make it actually, be able to be underwater.
So they did all the hard work.
No. He just helped me with making it waterproof and able to withstand pressure.
I knew a guy who really should have met this guy.
Oh.
My guy didn't think about water pressure too much with his submarine, and it did not go well.
Oh, that's weird because the guy I was talking about, he just didn't think.
Oh, your guy's also dead?
He's not alive.
That would be dead.
Physically, he's not alive.
Oh, have you been communicating with him through the spiritual realm?
Yeah, so I didn't want to tell you this because a lot of people freak out, but I do have to control the submarine via Ouija board.
So is he driving the submarine and you're communicating with him? Or is it like keybinds where the A turns left, the B turns right?
It's a little bit of both.
Is the submarine the ghost?
So there's a floating PS2 controller that you cannot touch. You're not allowed.
Wait, floating? Is it outside the submarine?
No. It's inside. It's just being held.
Oh, it's floating in the air.
Yeah.
Wait,
Yeah.
So, if I'm understanding this correctly, there's a ghost who is physically holding a controller. And he's steering.
Yep.
And the only way to communicate with him, well, let's call him the captain.
Yeah, captain. Yep.
That's you communicate with the captain via a Ouija board.
Yep. But then
what do you do?
It is like keybind. So I hold the Ouija board at W and it makes it go forward.
Wait, so then what does the controller do?
Well, is
this like one of the driving test cars where there's 2 steering wheels and 2 sides to get? Okay.
So the Ouija board communicates what I want to captain so that he can use the controller to input where to go.
So he's not the captain. He's the deckhand.
No, he's the captain.
He's like the navigator.
The captains normally control where the boat goes.
Yeah, but you're telling him where the boat should be going. You're controlling where the boat should be going.
I'm suggesting to him where I want the boat to go. This feels like
a One Piece thing, where you're Luffy, and you're just saying, I want to go there, and then the captain is Nami, and he just has to do all of the work. And you just kind of go like, I want to go to that place, and then you sit back and chill while he does all of the work.
Well, I don't get to just chill. I have to hold the Ouija board, the planchette, on W. And if I want to turn, I got to move it to A or D.
But if you're doing all the steering, what does the controller do?
Okay, I don't know how many times I have to say this. The Ouija board doesn't control the boat.
But it does.
No, the Ouija board tells
Wait. Let me see if I'm okay, I think I've deciphered what the fuck you're saying. So you're telling me you hold it on A, and he interprets that as you want to go forward, and so then he goes forward.
Yes.
Am I understanding this correctly?
Yes.
You are... So he gets the message of 500 A's in a row, and he knows that means go forward.
So
and when you pivot to spamming the D key, he knows to turn right.
To illustrate this, so like if I want to go forward, this is what the captain hears.
www. Or are you going like whoa?
Yeah. It's right. Yeah, if you can see that.
And then when you want to turn left, you start going
I can't make that bigger. So
I think we could optimize. I think this could be optimized a little bit.
Here, wait, hang on. Actually, I don't even need to do this.
There's definitely a way y'all could be doing this easier.
So, like, say, like W, right?
Mm-hmm.
W.
I can't make it go faster, so this will not work.
If you put a bunch of W's, will it say it repeatedly? Okay, we don't need to go that far.
www.
I'm sorry.
Become a malicious spirit.
Translate from Norwegian.
Hold on, click that. What? Okay, now we know that Norwegian.
www.
Oh, just put on the accent. I'm not sure how I feel about that.
It's because I'm translating it from.
www.
That was so much shorter.
www.
I think
they don't fuck around in Norway.
Where is that?
They keep it short and concise.
Maybe I gotta teach Captain Norwegian. That way he just gets this.
Ethnicity is the captain? What is he hearing? Is he Norwegian where he hears like 3 W's, or is he Japanese where he hears like 50?
www.
Does the accent carry over with the Ouija board?
Well, so it's a
We've actually gone severely over. We'll need to cover this in a different episode.
We're
severely over the time, and you have better things that you should be doing.
You're right. You're absolutely correct. Okay. All right.
I know. It's funny that I have to say it, but you should get out of here.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for coming to the greatness that was us taking fucking 5th grade tests, and who knows how well we did anymore.
Well, we know how well we did. We just don't know what we fucked up.
Yeah.
So comment down below what questions we got wrong.
Wow.
I'm Smug. This is Angst.
Yeah.
Find him on Little Angst. Hit the button.
You can find me at youtube.com/littleangst or on twitch.tv/littleangst. You can find Smug here. Please subscribe.
Yeah, sure. Plug the Twitch.
Leave a comment. That's it. Bye. Are you gonna say bye?
Bye.